In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice and language in Colossyan. If you're creating videos for a global audience or simply want a different narration style, updating both the language and the voice in Colossyan is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through changing the project's language using the built-in translation tool, and then we'll switch the narration voice to match the style and audience you're aiming for. First, sign into Colossyan. Once you're in, make sure the project you want to update is open in the editor. The editor is where you'll see your scenes, text, and narration controls all in one place, so you can make changes with confidence. With your project open, look toward the upper right of the editor. There you'll find the Language Variant button. This is your hub for managing different language versions of the same project, which is especially useful for keeping your visuals consistent while adapting the narration and text for each audience. Click the Language Variant button, then choose Add New Translation. Select your target language from the list and click Translate. Colossyan will generate a translated version of your project content. This typically preserves your layout and timing while updating the text and narration language. Give it a moment to process. When it's done, you'll have a dedicated language variant you can manage alongside your original. A quick tip as you review the translation. Brand names, product terms, and highly specific phrases may benefit from a careful look to ensure they read and sound exactly the way you want. Consistency matters, and this is the perfect time to confirm that tone and terminology align with your audience. Next, let's switch the voice. In the narration panel, click on the voice selector. This is where you'll see the available voices, each with its own tone, accent, and character. Select the voice you want, and Colossyan will apply it to the narration. Voices can dramatically change the feel of your video, so choose one that matches your message. Warm and friendly for approachable content, clear and authoritative for instructional material, or dynamic for marketing and storytelling. For best results, pair a voice that supports your selected language. That ensures natural pronunciation, correct intonation, and a more professional finish. If your script includes numbers, dates, or acronyms, pick a voice and language combination that handles them cleanly for your region. And that's it. You've updated the language through the Language Variant tool and selected a new voice from the narration panel, all within the same project. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating multilingual, on-brand videos with Colossyan.